Bye. Hello. So many birds in this suburb, bro. It's crazy. Yeah, maybe that's one thing to take note. If you buy near lots of trees, expect birds in the morning. But on the flip side, it's very peaceful. Like, it's not something you kind of find in the city much, or like near those busy areas. Like, I'm thinking Zetland, Waterloo. They don't have a lot of trees. It's more buildings. They have some parkland, small. This is like you're living in some kind of parkland, a big kind of nature reserve or something. It's kind of cool. Yeah, about outer suburb lifestyle.